don't like my drawing, do you? Because that's the idea. You really, I know it's not very good, but, you know. You think you can do better? Huh? You think you can do better? Go ahead. Go ahead. I don't care. I know it's not very good. Yeah. You know. Do a self-portrait. It's okay. Go ahead. What is it with this pen? I'm going to draw with it, see? I'm going to draw with the pen. I'm trying to draw you. But you are not making it easy. No, you're not. You're not. You don't like what I'm doing. Okay, so help me. You know, help me. Oh, really? Like that? Uh-huh. Is that what you want? Oh. Oh my gosh. You don't like the color. You don't like what I'm doing. Okay. We'll do it your way. Go ahead. What do you want? I'm going to move it until you... Okay. Fine. Cool. All right. You be like a Ouija board, okay? You just move it along. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Fine. Oh my God, you want the other pen. Is that what you want? Oh, I get it. Well, really, you want me to use the blue pen? Okay, just for you, I'll use the blue pen. Okay, blue pen. Oh, that's nicer, I guess. Let's see what I was doing. You don't like the way I'm doing it? Sorry. It's kind of hard. You're trying to boss me around while I'm drawing. Oh, okay, you're going to control it from there? Fine. Oh, okay, go ahead. Go ahead, bop it. Bop it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right. Okay, I'm going to start off. Okay, I'm going to... You're pushing it, you know. Oh, you're on it. Well, okay, and then I'm going to move it around until you tell me not to. I think you should get back to the drawing. That's more productive. Let's do that, okay? You just want to pull out my hair and make a sculpture. But, see, I want to do a drawing. Okay? Let's do that. The little cardinal baby going to help me too? Oh. All right, go ahead. Tap. 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 Oh, you want that pen? Jeepers. Oh, I kind of wanted to use this pen. Okay, we got one bird on the pen. One bird trying to tell me what to do. And I'm trying to... Okay, I'm trying to get the... No, this bird's on the arm. No, climbing up. No. Oh, we're drawing. We're not doing jewelry. We're not making sculpture. Drawing. I need you to get back to the piece of paper, if you would. Now, okay, you can't start doing video. I just want you to do drawing, okay? You gotta get the focus off the camera here. I know you're quite conceited and you're full of yourself, but no, do not bat. No. If you think you're going to start controlling the video, you've got another thing coming, buddy. No, I'm in charge of video. You're in charge of the drawing if you want to be. Ow! Jeez, bro. I mean, she's Okay.
The blue jay. We're trying to discourage this behavior just because he's lonely.
Oh.
So usually in the wild they will hang out like large blue jay gangs. But yeah, the blue, he's a little bit too far.
Okay.